we've been doing distribution bago na magpasukan ng mga bata. And whenever we go, ang saya-saya kasi bukod sa distribution, merong mga program beforehand. Minsan, may sayawan. Napabini nga ako nitong last distribution. And then also, we have the child leaders who are also part of the community that assist us. So some of them were former sponsored children that come back into the community to become a volunteer or even a current teenager na sponsored din pero gustong maging child leader, no? They come and play pagka-distribution na namin. So, ang saya kasi makaka-interact mo talaga yung bata, kasi iba't ibang grade din yung nakakasama mo. So, it's really a heartwarming day and it doesn't even take long. So, even if you're a sponsor and you wanna take time off and you have some time to kill or time to spare, it's a great way to spend your weekend kapag ginagawa ng World Vision to annually. You can volunteer and be part of the distribution, or even that, not just that, you can also do their site visits kapag wala namang back-to-school campaign. So maraming pwedeng gawin as a sponsor and as a donor for World Vision.
Yeah, this is actually my first year, so this is a great legacy that World Vision has been doing for many years. But this is my first year to really be part of this and to, be able to experience what Ate Jazz is talking about. But I just really love that, pagpasokan, diba? All of the kids, we're always so excited when we get new school supplies.
Yeah.
It's something na parang mas ganado tayo to go back to school. And that's so fun to be able to share that as well to the kids who are in vulnerable areas, who don't get that same excitement, as we do. And not only that, it's not only about the excitement, but it's really about the empowerment talaga. That it's not only on the day that the sponsors come that we have the programs, but it's the days after, the school days after na somebody believes in me enough to give me this backpack filled with school supplies. Like every morning, they can open the notebook and say, wow, like somebody sponsored me because they believe in my education. And I think that's the power of these back-to-school bags.
Yeah.